Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must confirm hardware and software before plugging anything in. First, connect the piano's USB MIDI or MIDI DIN to your computer via a compatible cable or interface and power on the instrument. Once done, open Synthesia so it can detect devices. Make sure no other DAW is monopolizing the MIDI port. If drivers were needed, install them now and reboot. This prevents connection conflicts and lets Synthesia enumerate your piano as an input device. Now configure Synthesia to accept MIDI from your piano. In Settings, select Inputs and Outputs, find your piano name, and enable it. Choose Omni or the exact MIDI channel your keyboard uses so all notes register. Press a few keys to confirm Synthesia shows incoming notes. Then address timing. Adjust the MIDI input latency slider or run automatic calibration so on-screen notes match your physical attack. This reduces double triggering and improves learning accuracy. Finish by loading a song and verifying note tracking and optional controls like sustain pedal or split zones. Make sure Synthesia's audio output is set correctly so you hear metronome and feedback, and consider recording a short MIDI take to confirm clean data capture. If things go wrong, check one thing at a time. Confirm cable seating, try a different USB port, re-enable the device in Synthesia, and restart the app. These steps resolve most MIDI detection and latency issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.